Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 9.2 on Fedora Linux 41. But the process is same on all Fedora Linux versions. First open any web browser, then go to MySQL official website, that is mysql.com. Then click on downloads, scroll down. See here we have the MySQL community downloads. Click on it. Click on MySQL community server. Then select the version. See here the latest release is 9.2 and select the operating system. See here we have the Fedora. Select it. Then select the Fedora Linux operating system version 41. See, once you select 41, it populated the commands related to 41. If you want to install on 40, we have to select this one. Okay, but if you want older versions, we have to click on this archives. Then here we will find all previous versions. Okay, go back, select the version. Then see here it populated the list of the that needs to be installed. So instead of downloading these packages, we have to download this RPM bundle. So click on download. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is 855 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download is completed, enter the star file. Then we will install the MySQL 9.2. Okay. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. Go to downloads directory, cd, downloads, ls. See here we have the ls. See here we have the tar file. We have to untar this file, tar-xf, which contains RPM packages. Give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill entire tar file name. Hit enter. See, extraction is completed. Type ls. See here we have the list of the RPM packages. We have to install these packages. Control N, sudo rpm -ivh -no deps means dependencies, then star.rpm. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, there is a MariaDB connector, so we have to uninstall it before installing this package. Sudo m remove MariaDB star. Hit enter. Type and hit enter. See, it is erasing some applications, so don't do this in production. Before going to production, you must run this in test environment. All done. Now install MySQL sudo rpm -ivh -no star.rpm. Hit enter. Again it is verifying and going to prepare. See, now it is installing MySQL Server 9. See, we have successfully installed. Control N. Now we have to connect to MySQL Server. Before that, verify the status of the MySQL service. Sudo systemctl status MySQL d.service. MySQL d.service. Hit enter. See, we have installed MySQL Server, but it is not started. So start it. Sudo systemctl start MySQL d. Hit enter. We have started. Let us verify the status again. See, MySQL is active and running. Q to quit. Control N. Now connect to MySQL Server. To connect MySQL Server, we must have root password. So we can get it. cd var log ls. See here we have the MySQL d.log. This file contains temporary password. More MySQL grep password. We have to run this with sudo. See, this is the temporary password. We have to use this password to reset the password of root account. So run MySQL _secure_installation. Then here we have to give the password of root account, that is this one. Copy it, paste it, hit enter, set the password for root account. Remember this password which is required to connect to MySQL server. We have successfully set. Change the password for root account again, no. Remove anonymous users, yes. Hit enter, yes. Remove database, yes. Reload privileges, yes. All done. So we have successfully set the password for root account. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-v. Then provide the password that we have set. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server 9.2. Let us verify the version by running this command also. See, we have installed MySQL server 9.2 on Fedora Linux. Let us verify the list of the databases. So, databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL 9.2 installation. So, let us create a database. Create database. Now verify again. See, new database is there. Let us switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to use the command. Use is the keyword. Then provide the database. Now verify the current database. Select current underscore. No. Select database. See, we are in the bank database. Let us create a table. Now verify list of tables. Show tables. See, we have a table. Let us insert some data into this table. Insert one more row. Verify the data. See, we have inserted these rows. Okay. Now we will see how to create a user in MySQL 9.2. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work because there is no command. You can get the list of the users by running the command. Select user from MySQL.user. See, these are the default users that comes with MySQL installation. So create a user. Now verify again. See, new user is there. Okay, now exit from this MySQL server which we have connected with root. To exit from MySQL server, we have to use the command exit. Now connect with the new user. MySQL-u not root James is the new username. Then provide the -p. Then provide the password. Hit enter. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the currently logged in user. Select current underscore user. See, we have logged in with the user James. Okay, exit. Now we will see how to start and restart MySQL server 9.2 on Fedora Linux operating systems. Sudo systemctl. You already know this command. MySQL D is the service name. See, MySQL service is running. Let us stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL D. Hit enter. Now verify status. See, MySQL is inactive or dead. Okay. Quit. Also verify by trying to connect to MySQL server. MySQL-u root-p. See, cannot connect to local server MySQL through socket because MySQL server is stopped. So start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL D. Verify the status. See, MySQL server is started. Also try to connect to MySQL server. See, we have successfully connected. If you want to restart, just replace this status with restart. Okay, this is the way to restart. we have successfully installed. Go to home directory, ls cd downloads, ls. See here, these files are not required because we have installed MySQL Server 9.2 successfully. rm start.rpm, hit enter, ls. Also we have the tar file, this is also not required. rm, give the MySQL, give the tab to autofill, enter tar file name, hit enter. We have successfully uninstalled. Until now we have connected MySQL by using MySQL client. We can also connect MySQL server by using MySQL Workbench or dbeaver. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install MySQL Workbench and dbeaver on Fedora Linux operating systems. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 9.2 on Fedora Linux 41. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.